Good morning, happy December 12th. Sage is ready. He's like, I'm here. All right, what do we got today? December 12th. Where is, I can't see with you. Yep, it's right there. Where's my little handy tool? Did you guys run off with it? Here we go. December 12th. It is, ooh, it's a heart, and that was eggnog. The first one I didn't think was very good, but this one looks better. It's not broken. Let's see what this tastes like. And Danny's coming to the party. It's still a little crystallized, so not my favorite, but still good. On the Rohan Chocolate House, 12 is this little door. Oh, someone already opened it? Sage wants to help. Thank you, Sage. Very, very helpful. Can you reach in and get that little chocolate snowman out? Maybe? Oh, it's hard. All right, it was a chocolate snowman. I leaned this up on the wall because otherwise the cats punched them or push them in, like as you can see that one. Sage, here we go. Another walnut for the 5th time. Oh my God, the cats are swarming. They know what's next. They're smart kitties. All right, let me go grab your advent calendar I had to hide because you guys kept getting into it. All right, remember everyone, there's rules. No growling at each other, no fighting. We are going with 12 right here. This is 12. So you gotta push that in for me. You know what? Can I do this? Or are you just gonna get in the way? I gotta open this one. What happened to my handy little tool? Who ran off with my, oh, nope. Where did it go? All right, I'm covering it. He's biting my finger. So here's a fish. This is not from today. This is from another day that I must have missed. All right, you guys have to get out of the way so I can cut this open. It looks like it's a chicken jerky type of day. Get the fish. Oh, you're gonna pull the plastic? All right, here, Sage, eat that. Okay, you guys are making this a little difficult. I might have to get Dad to help because I need to cut this open without, here, Sage, eat those. Who's being difficult? Who is this? This is Jack, who had surgery yesterday. All right, hold on so I can cut this open without you guys in the way. All right, I have it in my hand, distracting them by leaving the box down. There is some for you, nutmeg. Jack is tearing the box apart. Sage, right there. There you go. Jack, here. Jack, why not? Jack, you're smarter than this. Jack, look right there. Look at that, right there. Good boy. Just you three? Where's the other kid? You want some more nutmeg? I'll give you some more. And here's Sally. Okay, here you go. Danny, there's a piece for you. And Sally, you can have the rest. All right, it's on my, nope. Danny. Okay, there you go, Sally. Danny right there. Sally just, they're like ignoring it. They just want to sniff everything. There you go. They found it. All right, out, that was a bite. I said no biting. There you go, Sally. And now the tree. And it is, oh, it's the werewolf. Very nice. Merry Christmas.